Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Notifications and Control Center. Now tap on App Notifications and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them, like Gmail. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can always click on Sort By and select the best option for you, like number of notifications. If you wish to, you can also just tap on one of your apps over here and then manage notifications thanks to this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!